Today I want to talk about how high salary is only a byproduct of value. Hello, my name is Juby, co-founder at Yellowtail, where we help people with no IT background get their first high-paying IT job. Today I want to talk about how high salary is only a byproduct of value. I have so many people coming to me because they hear they can make a lot of money in IT, which is somewhat true, especially in some very niche areas in IT. You can make unusually high salaries. In 2020 alone, I spoke to about 500 to 600 people, and I hear one recurring theme. How much money am I gonna make? Yes, it's a very important question, but you have to understand that high salaries is only a byproduct of value. Basically, what I'm trying to say is that it's not automatic, because you're gonna get some certification, you're gonna get training, but it's not automatically that you're gonna be able to claim those high salaries, because certification does not automatically equal high income. You have to be able to not only level up in terms of skills, but when you get to an interview, you have to be able to articulate how you're gonna improve, how you're gonna support and enhance the team that you're gonna be involved with. So that's what brings the high salaries, okay? So I wanna make sure you understand there's a big difference, and the salaries only follow the value that you are able to articulate that you're gonna bring to the team. Anyway, check us out at yellowtail.tech, see what we're about, look around. If you think it's a good fit, schedule a career strategy session with our team and let's talk about it. And if you got any value out of this, like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for other videos like this one.